Hey folks, you've probably already seen this virtual nerd video talking about how to find a line in slope-intercept form which is parallel to the point, or actually goes through the point 110 and is parallel to the line 2x minus y equals 2. Now he just showed you how to do it by hand. Now I'm going to go and show you how to use Desmos to do it. So let's get started. All right, the first thing is, let's draw that first line. So the first line is 2x minus y equals 2. And so we have that nice little blue line that we have, and we can see it's a positive slope. And we can also figure out from this, by looking at it, that it actually is going up 2. Okay, if I took a point here, right here, and it's actually, if I can get it to stop there, 4, 6 is 1 point on the line, and if I go up based on the slope, which is 2, go up 2 over 1, then from 4, 6, then it has to also, that point right there is 5, 8. And if you want to just double check that, if you want to, we can always create our little table to make sure that we're actually talking about the same line. So I can very quickly do this. I can do 4, 6, and then put in the point 5, 8. And then, as we always know, we can use our slope-intercept y1 tilde mx1 plus, and we're going to use b1 in this case. As you can see, the red line is right on top of the blue line, so you can see it's the exact same thing. Now we have to find the line which is parallel to it, and one of the great things, as it was said in a previous video, that a parallel line will have the same slope. So we know the line that goes through 110 will be parallel to this. Well, let's start creating our table so we can create this other line. So we're going to create another table. Obviously, we know 1 point is 110. So we know that. But since we also know the slope is 2, so we can actually do that right now. We can go up to 1, 2, and over 1, and that will give us the point 212. So we're going to put that into our table. So I'm going to put 2, 12 into our table. And now I can create another line, but instead of y1, this one will be y2. So y2 tilde mx2 plus, and we're going to call this one b2. And we can see that our slope is 2, so that is correct. And then our y-intercept is different. It is 8. So our actual line in slope-intercept form would be y equals, actually I'm going to call it y3. Am I going to call it y3? Yeah. y3 equals 2x, actually I'm not, I'm going to just do y, equals 2, not z, Kyle, 2x plus 8. And as you can see, it is right on top of what we currently did. So that's how you can do it in Desmos. Nice, quick, and easy. Again, we will do some more later in the future, so thanks for listening to the video. Bye.